We'll guide you through how to fix the Rockstar Games launcher not opening or not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're trying to go and open it up and you can't, and so you then can't go and use it and access the games in it, etc. So we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure it is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem. So to go and get started, first of all, you want to go and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Task Manager. Wait for it to open and you want to go and press search at the top and you want to go and type in Rockstar. Now, if you see any processes, whether they're background or whatever, select them and then press end task. And you may need to go and repeat that until they're all closed. That isn't the case for me, but if they are, go and do that. After you've done that, close Task Manager. And then you want to go and right click on the Rockstar Games launcher and you want to find the option for properties. You want to go to the top to compatibility and you can go and unselect run this program in compatibility mode for, and you want to go and select run this program as administrator. Press apply and press OK. And then what you want to try doing is running it and go and see if it will then go and launch. Go and see if that works. If it does, great. If you find that it doesn't, then what you want to try doing is come back to Task Manager and open it up. You want to go and then type in Rockstar, close anything which is currently open. Then what you want to do is you want to go and press search at the bottom and go and type in run. And in open, you can go and type in app data and press OK. And you want to come into local. Now you need to come and scroll down here and you want to go and find Rockstar. As you can see, here it is. And then what you can do is go and right click on it and you can go and delete it like so. Then what you can try doing is running Rockstar again and hopefully it will then go and work. If you still find that it doesn't, what you want to do is go and close it and you want to go and press search at the bottom. If it still doesn't, press search at the bottom and go and type in remove programs and click on this here. Wait for this to go and load and you want to go and press search apps. And you want to go and type in OneDrive like so. And you can then go over to the right and you can go and press the three dots like so. And what you can then do is go and press uninstall. Of course, this does go and remove it. So if you use it, don't do this. But if you don't use it, try it. As this can sometimes go and solve the problem of it not opening. So after removing it, try running it and then hopefully it'll go and work. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.